I want to show you today how I make my own cold brew packets. I love cold brew. It's not bitter. It doesn't stain your teeth because you drink it through a straw. I always have coffee in reserve. The bonus reason to make cold brew, it's going to save you a lot of money. These very large coffee filters only cost 5 cents each on Amazon. For 1 gallon of cold brew, I add 1 cup of ground coffee to a filter, then I secure it along the top with staples. Did you know that the Japanese invented cold brew? So clever. Drape the filter over the side of a gallon jug and fill it with water. With this method, you can make a gallon of cold brew in less than 5 minutes, but you will need to let it sit for 24 hours. Then you can store it in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. Here's a gallon I made yesterday. Grab the filter, let it drain a little bit, and then throw it away. On a hot day, I like to add my cold brew to a cup of ice. If you're watching your caloric intake, add the creamer to a cup with measurements. Cold brew has a bright flavor with no acidic aftertaste. This stuff is dangerous if you're sensitive to caffeine. You could make some decaffeinated or make an individual serving. Fold the filter over the top of a mason jar. Make sure it stays secure. As you can see, mine fell a little. Not ideal. Here's the evolution of my cold brew experimentation. I started with an automatic drip filter clamped to the side of a gallon jug. Next, I used this honey filter from when my husband was a beekeeper. I didn't appreciate the amount of time and water required to clean it out though. So, this may seem really silly, but next I started sewing my own filters. Often I sew a bunch of regular coffee filters and then use a funnel to fill with grounds. My favorite time of the day is when I take a break and sit down with some chocolate and a nice cup of cold brew. I hope this video added something positive to your life. Thank you so much for watching.